I had to lead a life of not their means niece, but of a servant, of a maid servant. They got a servant who is going to do all the household work. So I was treated like that. Means sab koi khana kha lenge, and then if anything is left over, that will be my share. Nahi hai, so you cannot cook and eat. So there has been worst of things which I went through in my life. And then my uncle, he got me married to somebody who was already married and had 2 kids. So there also 11 years I had been fighting, and finally one day means kuch aisi baatein ho gayi, and then he tried to kill me. I ran away from there, then landed up in somebody's house who I knew. They were my neighbors earlier.
Hello everybody, welcome to the Men Incorporated YouTube channel. I am your host for today, Abhik Chatterjee. At the Men Incorporated, recently we started out with a campaign known as MAPS, the Makeover and Polishing School. It actually is the brainchild of our partner and brand ambassador, Mr. Dinesh Mohan, wherein he wanted to give aspiring models, people who want to look good, or people who've had, this inkling to take on something new in their lives, a platform. That's how MAPS was born. The most surprising thing about MAPS was the first applicant to this program was a lady, shattering all our expectations and myths about who this program should be targeted towards. And the Men Incorporated is basically a channel for males talking about different things related to lifestyle, fitness, fashion, soft skills related to males, that a lady would entrust us with her makeover. That gave us a lot of confidence, and we were not going to let this slip out of our hands. The lady in question is Nilima ji, as I like to call her with the utmost of respect. Now, before we go on to a makeover video, which you guys are going to see shortly on our channel, where Dinesh and Sushant worked tirelessly on her clothing, they brought about a paradigm shift in the way she dresses, in her makeup, in the way she carries herself. I did a session with Nilima ji to basically understand about her standing in her personal and professional life. I sent her a bunch of questions which she answered, and we were recording a call wherein I wanted to guide her in terms of body language, in terms of her communication skills, and what came out of that was startling. I got to know the story of Nilima ji, and it was inspiring. It gave me goosebumps while I was recording the session. To know that someone has gone through so much adversity, to know that someone has gone through so much pain and yet has the courage at the age of 54 to take a call, to engage herself in a makeover, to take a call to change her life drastically, it takes a lot of mental courage and fortitude. For all those who have mocked her for this along the way, for all those who have shamed her for different things along the way, well, the joke's on you. Because I think, and all of us at the Men Incorporated think, she is an inspirational figure. Take a look at her story and certain segments that I did with her, and use this to inspire yourself. I'll see you at the end of the video.
Earlier, when I had joined this company, means when I had joined back.
Yeah.
I joined this company in 2000, and till 2006 I was working at a retail store, and there I was doing very good. And one fine evening I was said that from tomorrow your services are not required. So you need not come to office from tomorrow. My question was why? What is the reason? Is there any complaint against me? Or have I done anything wrong, misbehaved with any customer? Or have I not done my duties properly? Have I not been punctual at my work? So what is the reason for just saying thank you to me all of a sudden at day end? So then they said, no, it is nothing as such. It's the management's decision and we don't want your services from tomorrow. I said, fine. That broke me down. I talked to them several times, but they were not ready to take me back. And then after that, I filed a case The case went on for 22 months in the court, and then again I was reinstated, taken back in the company. Forcibly, they had to take me back. They had no other choice, and I was very adamant. I said, without any reason, जब मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है, आपके पास अगर सबूत है तो आप उसको साबित कीजिए. जब तक आप साबित नहीं करेंगे, मैं इस बात को मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ कि मैंने कभी भी कोई गलत काम किया हो. तो दे वर वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड कि हाँ हमारे पास बहुत सारा सबूत है और हम उसको कोर्ट में पेश करेंगे. आई सेड फाइन, देन आई विल सी यू इन द कोर्ट. और उसके बाद फिर केस चली 22 महीने तक. इन लोगों ने सारा अपना मतलब बही खाता जो था सब इन लोगों ने पलटी, लेकिन दे नेवर गॉट एनी एविडेंस अगेंस्ट मी. मैं क्या करूं, व्हाई डिड आई कम बैक एंड ऑल दैट. बट स्टिल I had that in mind कि नहीं, when I've come back, so I'm not going to go back. I will prove myself again over here, and that I did. And 3 times in a row means I won the Star Performer Award of the Year. और मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें हुई. Means when I feel bad, I come home, I cry, I sit, I think, and then again I let go. I said ठीक है, it is in my fate कि मुझे ये सारी चीजों को लेना है, तो I will take it. But anywhere in my work, calm it doesn't show. I never let my work hamper because of any of these things. That is always to the top, up to the mark. Everybody appreciates whatever I do. But kahin na kahin that fight is there because of whatever had happened in the past. So, theek hai, I become emotional. I do cry, but I again. क्योंकि I'm all alone in this world and there is nobody to fight behind my back for me and nobody to take care of me if I lose my job at this age or anything. So compromises हो जाती हैं, and I compromise, and again I am back in work and हंसते मुस्कुराते with that smile on my face, it is always there.
It's very interesting that you said this because I'm speaking to one of my friends who is going through, I won't say a similar situation, but something similar where she's facing a lot of stigma at work. She's facing a lot of issues. She was harassed by one of her colleagues, but people are not supporting her. So, and I can see the sort of pressure one has to take when one, especially when you are a lady, because
and who doesn't have anybody.
It's unfortunate actually. All of us are in a work environment heavily dominated by men. The men to women ratio is very skewed. So you're always up against multiple men and less women who can even back you in these cases. And there are very few industries in India that are female dominated. It's more of men, less of women. So that ratio is skewed to start off with. But I think what you should be incredibly proud of is that you've not given up. I've seen people give up in many situations like this.
Matlab in life, this is not the only thing which has happened which is bad to me. Means right from the beginning, the other day also I was saying that I lost my mom when I was 13 and I lost my dad when I was 15. So when I was a youngster, at that time only I lost my mom and dad, and I did not have any siblings. So I was taken back by my chacha, my uncle, to his place, and there I had to lead a life of not their niece, but of a servant, of a maid servant. They got a servant who is going to do all the household work. So I was treated like that. Means sab koi khana kha lenge, and then if anything is left over, that will be my share. Nahi hai, so you cannot cook and eat. So there has been worst of things which I went through in my life. And then my uncle, he got me married to somebody who was already married and had 2 kids. So there also 11 years I had been fighting, and finally one day means kuch aisi baatein ho gayi, and then he tried to kill me. I ran away from there, then landed up in somebody's house who I knew, they were my neighbors earlier. Then she helped me. Fir wahan se I came out, and then I joined a school in, you must have heard about Kodarma, Jhumri Talaiya. So I worked there. From there, I moved to a school in Bihar in Sasaram. I worked there for a couple of months. Then from there, I switched to another school. So there I met one uncle and auntie. He was a district magistrate earlier, and then he retired and he joined that school. So he was an English teacher there. and then he didn't have any kids, so his wife was very connected to me. So फिर वहां से when she fell ill and she had to come to Delhi for a treatment, she came to Delhi and along with her I came to Delhi, and then दिल्ली का जो मैंने रंग रूप देखा, so I thought that what am I doing there, let me try. So through this thing I came here and then I tried my luck. So things have not been good for me till date. I'm still fighting, but yes, I will not give up. I'll keep fighting.
The fact that you're willing to take this transformation on in itself shows that you're somebody who doesn't quit.
Yes.
So I think what a lot of us do, and I've done it also personally, is that when things don't work for you, you often criticize yourself and you often blame yourself, thinking that, something's wrong with me, and people go into that sort of mind frame. It's happened to me as well. A lot of things which shouldn't have happened and which I feel is wrong, but then I realized that it's not in your hands, right? So you need to keep moving on every single moment.
Yes.
You need to keep trying until you break down the door that's in front of you. So I think that's what you're doing. You should be very proud of it.
One more thing I would like to tell you, even I haven't completed my schooling. मतलब मैं 10th के बाद मैंने कॉलेज का भी मुंह नहीं देखा और कुछ भी नहीं करा, and still means पूछते हैं ना कि आपने मेकअप पे आपका क्यों नहीं ध्यान जाता है, why don't you try to do. तो I never went to a college. तो कभी वो सारी चीजें मेरे में आई नहीं कि मतलब कॉलेज जाना है, अच्छा दिखना है, थोड़ा सा सजना संवरना है. फिर शादी भी हुई तो ऐसे बंदे से हुई जहाँ पे मतलब आप रोज रो ही रहे हो, आप परेशान ही रह रहे हो, तो ये सारी चीजें नहीं. एंड देन व्हेन आई केम टू दिल्ली आल्सो, आई हैड दैट थिंग इन माय माइंड कि मुझे यहाँ पे जब मैं आई हूँ तो आई विल हैव टू अर्न, पैसे कमाना है, पैसे जमा करना है, अपने लिए एक घर लेना है, कुछ को स्टेबलाइज करना है, फालतू किसी चीजों में नहीं पड़ना है. सो आई नेवर यूज्ड टू मींस आई अब जाकर के नाउ इन माय 50s आई हैव स्टार्टेड ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग माय सेल्फ. अब मुझे ये होता है कि नो, आई शुड लुक गुड, पीपल शुड सी मी, पीपल शुड अप्रिशिएट. तो वो सारी चीजें, एंड दैट थिंग आल्सो हैज कम वेरी मच इनटू मी. मतलब ये डीएम को देखने के बाद से बहुत ज्यादा वो चीज अपने अंदर में आया कि इफ वी शुड बी लाइक दिस. तो वो पहले था. पहले मैं आई यूज्ड टू थिंक इफ आई ड्रेस up, if I look good, people will be attracted towards me, तब कोई कुछ बोलेगा और फिर गलत रास्ते में जाना and all that thing. मतलब so this has been me कि क्यों मैंने ये सारी चीजें पहले नहीं करी. लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, अब वो वक्त आ गया है कि अब ज्यादा वक्त हाथ में नहीं है, तो I should enjoy my life. All these days I have been fighting, struggling, crying, but now those things should come to an end and I should enjoy my life the way I wanted to always.
Of course, and I think
yes.
I think more than this, I have learned so many things from you. I think this is I think this is not about educating people on this platform. It's also about learning from all of you and sharing your stories, which I believe I think now what we are starting to see is that people are coming up with so many inspirational stories and they're speaking to us, and we feel that we can really make use of this platform to let other people know about what challenges other people are facing in their daily lives. And if a lady in a situation like you can look at your video, say tomorrow, and she can feel empowered by it, then we think we've done our job. More than giving you the makeover, I think you will inspire other people to sort of fight and believe in themselves. So thank you so much for and more than teaching you, I think I've learned a lot today. So thank you for that.
So thank you so much. मतलब I'll say in Bengali, আজকে তুমি একলা এলে বলে মানে আমি মন খুলে তোমার সঙ্গে কথা বলতে পারলাম. 1-to-1 না, ওইটা একটু ইজি হয়ে যায়. দুজন যখন মানে দেখছে তোমাকে, শুনছে, तখন I feel little bit means somewhere थोड़ा सा वो झिझक आ जाता है मन के अंदर में. तो today it was, I was very happy since morning कि आज अभिक से मेरी बात होगी. So I'll try and tell him everything, what is the reason and why I am like this till date. Means मैंने बहुत कोशिश की अपने आप को चेंज करने का, but now I feel कि no, looking at DM कि no, now this is high time. Whatever he has gone through, उतना तो मैं I haven't gone, but still yes. So he is an inspiration which he has taught me कि we should live life to the fullest.
Thank you so much for joining in. And
thank you so much.
And I'm looking forward to the final transformation session. I'm really looking forward to that.
Sure. Even I.
Wow. I'm sure you're blown away by that. And that was brilliant to see someone be so forthcoming about what they've gone through in their life, to share their pain openly. It takes a lot of courage, and I really applaud her for that. And I'm thankful that she chose us. I'm thankful that she chose to disclose that on our platform. And I would also like to applaud her for the fact that she was okay with us sharing her story with all of you. There was not an ounce of self-consciousness. There was no shame in her when she told us that, put my story out to the world. I want people to look at this and still feel that even after all of this, at this age, you should do what you want to do. You should try and live your life to the fullest. With that brings us to the end of this episode. I hope it's inspired you in a way. I hope it's added something to your life. Till then, keep watching The Men Incorporated. If you like this video, a thumbs up. All you have to do is click on the thumbs up button down below. And if you have loved the videos in our channel, and if you've liked this particular one, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out new content every week. Till then, stay good, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon with another video.